I'm so pumped for this fresh squeezed juice. We've got some Tian Tian chicken rice, made famous by Anthony Bourdain. We've got a little longan drink and some roti prata. Initial thoughts?
Really good.
So we're currently in the Oasia Hotel. The lobby is on the 12th floor and it's an open concept, so there are no actual walls. And this is why most of Singapore has all these coverage areas, because when it rains, it pours. So we already know the orange juice machine, but this one's new. We've got a brown sugar boba ice cream bar. All right, these little soundproof booths are karaoke machines. I'm so proud of my little dumpling. She knows how to use her chopsticks. Currently outside the Raffles Hotel. There's a large group of people here waiting for something. We're not sure exactly what it is, but we've got an update. Everyone here is waiting for U2. They are currently staying at Raffles for a concert tonight. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna wait though. Are we gonna wait? I guess we're waiting. Picked the worst time to come here because the Singapore Marathon is happening, so we have to get all of our suitcases and dropped off on the corner because they couldn't go through the entire traffic. So we've got all these suitcases now, and we gotta figure out how to get there. All right, we've made it to our short-term house. We had 3 flights of stairs that we had to carry. How many suitcases? 7? 7 suitcases, no 6, plus a couple heavy bags. But here's the place that we'll be in for the almost next month. We've got a bathroom with washer dryer combo, nice little shower. We've got our kitchen. Gotta have a shoe rack. Take off shoes in our home. These are really cool. These are actually all closets. Every single one of these is a closet. They made good use of this space. I think we can store suitcases back here. Into our living room. We've got a little office space. Couch, which we could actually theoretically have friends sleep over now if anyone visits. Yeah. And then we've got our bed upstairs. So again, we've got some under storage here, more storage here. AC unit is super important. We've got one here and one downstairs. Just in case we want to watch a show or movie before we sleep, we've got Apple TV and everything hooked up here. Not bad. I'm actually pretty happy with this place, so. And you can see some of the barricades that are being brought up, which is the result of the Singapore Marathon starting tonight at 6 p.m., ending at 2:30 a.m. It's very different out here because it's so freaking hot out that marathon runners cannot run when it's 90 degrees and humid out, so they wait until the evening to do it. We were notified of a couple rules, one of which is no smoking, which that's totally fine. The second one, which is very unique to Singapore, is no durian in the apartment. Man, here we are finally starting to unpack. Not too bad. Here we are, Amoy Street Food Center. We did grab some mee goreng and nasi goreng ayam. Look at these guys go, Jesus. Let's go Pikachu! Right next to us, we've got a 24-hour pizza ATM. We've stumbled across a party here. Check it out. We need these glowy lights. They look awesome. Where we're sitting right now was under construction. You can probably guess from the sounds, or maybe all these people here taking pictures with their mouths open, sitting next to the Merlion. This is called the Esplanade. Slightly different than the Esplanade in Boston. But I was just saying, we went from the hatch shell, which is like a half egg, to full durian. We've found the finish line. Back in familiar places, and it's about 10 to 10. Look how busy this mall still is. It's now 11 p.m. and the mall is still packed because it doesn't close till 1 a.m. It's crazy. We've got our traditional cuppy, soft-boiled egg, and kaya toast. We're currently at Lau Pa Sat Hawker Center. This whole meal costs 5.6 Singapore dollars. Not bad. We are currently in another grocery store called Cold Storage. Very strange name. Pretty decent meat selection here too. Look at the marbling. Oh, that's Wagyu. Cherries are on sale. Little carton for $15.95. But this is pretty sweet. They've got a ton of fruits that we might not necessarily have in the States. We're currently at Bugis Junction. I don't think we've been here before. It's another huge shopping center. What's funny is we literally stayed right there the last couple nights, and this is only a couple blocks away, but we've never discovered this until now. Anyway, right now we're gonna be munching on his bun. I think it's chashu. So it's not chashu. It's good.
What is it?
I don't know. Randomly came across this street full of souvenirs and food, because there's food everywhere. Yes, kaya balls. We looked up and saw this insane thing. That's crazy. We are not at a DMV. We're actually at Star Hub, which is like a phone service. Chantal is about to get her brand new phone. We are back at Lau Pa Sat. This time for dinner. We've got our final meal before I start working. Oh man. Got some lime juice, chicken satay from number 7 and 8, some chashu rice, and garlic buttered naan.
That looks amazing.
Looks bomb.